Riu hatiri undu tangaja gikaro kia mbunge ya ikumi na keri no gigathie na mbere kuringana na mutaratara wa mbunge thutha wa ngwataniro ya NASA kuiguanira ati atongoria aria mathuritwo na ciama iria ciumbitwo ngwataniro-ini iyo nimagikinyia mbunge niguo mehitithio.
We have made a unanimous decision that our members for both the National Assembly and the Senate will attend Parliament tomorrow.
Ngwataniro ya NASA icenjetie murugamo wayo wa hau kabere kuri murugamiri munene wa ithurano kiama-ini kia ODM Junet Mohammed augite ati nimakagomera giikaro kiu makiuga gititio mugaru na watho tondu cira wa guteaniria maumirira ma githurano kia president nduri uratwithanio. Akiaria thutha wa mucemanio wa ngwataniro iyo, Senator Muthure Moses Wetangula niaugire ati Abunge na senators ao makanyita itemi hari kuhitithio no matikanyita itemi mihango-ini ya guthura speaker na anini ao. Ihinda-ini riu Wetangula niarutite mukana kuri amemba a mbunge ici cieri iguru rigie kunyita mbaru mwena wa thirikari hindi iria mari mbunge-ini ari ta njira ya kuguciria uthii wa na mbere icigo-ini ciao cia ubunge.
We have agreed that as a coalition to bring synergy, cohesion and unity of purpose in the execution of our duties in the House, we are going to have a retreat most probably towards the end of next week with all our members so that we can be able to deal with issues of leaderships in the House, committees and their membership, and how our members are going to conduct their affairs.
Ihinda-ini riu ngwataniro iyo niugite ni igatabania giikaro kia mwanya kia atongoria aria mathuritwo na ciama iria ciumbite ngwataniro ino kumenya iturwa iria makahurana thiini wa mbunge ya Senate na iria ya bururi. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, nie njitagwo Mwaura wa Ndung'u.